Hi JMSC. In this video, this will be second part of the video for Zoom schedule in Moodle. So let us go ahead. And one thing for your information, you might have got an email from IT manager. Okay, like I have got this one Zoom. Okay, Zoom invitation account. So it says hello NCC for Jesus. This is my account, but in your case it will be your, and it will say IT manager has requested to add you in to their Zoom account. So what you have to do is you have to approve the request. Okay, click approve the request, and there it will say acknowledge. Okay, once you do this one, then if you click, okay, the invite link has expired. That means I have already acknowledged and accepted that one. So once you are done that one, okay, your email ID, and if you have already created Zoom account with your Zoom ID, okay, this is how it will be. Okay, with the same email ID I have account open my Zoom ID. So this is how it will come. Okay, everything will be as usual, and the thing it will be changing, like in the company name contact you'll have, okay, Brian Ortner, IT manager, Ron Priest. So this is how it will be. So what I want you, once you are done with this, then you have to come to the course. Okay, like here for example, I'll be deleting that slot again once I put as example. Okay, here go to Gearbox, turn editing on. Okay, and say add an activity, click an activity, then scroll down and see Zoom meeting, click, then say add. Okay, it is being added. Now you can say, okay, first class Zoom class. Okay, so anything you want, like orientation or something, first Zoom class. Okay, then say description. Okay, this meeting begins at, okay, 3 p.m. for example. Okay, 3 p.m. please log in to Zoom before 2:55 p.m. Okay, so this is just the example for them. I mean information. So you have to say this display description on course page. Okay, so when do we want to have Zoom meeting? So okay, when date is, for example, 10 June 2020. What time? So we have to make here time also come at 3 o'clock, as we see said here 3 o'clock, then 0. Okay, 3 o'clock. And how long do you want to have? So it says 1 hour, so you can make it as a day or 3 hours. Okay, so this will be 3 hours. Usually our class will have 3 hours. So requiring, okay, so that means you have to accept whenever students click or joins, then it will say requiring. Okay, so it is up to you, has no end date, so anytime you can just require. So it is up to you. So I guess you have to do requiring will be the best, or let us not do this recurring, because when we do this one they can come anytime. So let us not do this one, or they will, I mean, they can come, then say here host video on, participant video on. So you have to say on this one. Okay, audio option, okay, this one it is in default. Meeting option enable join before host, so I think this one you have to click yes, because we want student to join before host. So let us do this one, join. Okay, and grade, you don't need to have grade. Okay, common Moodle setting, you don't need to. Restricted access, no, you don't need that one. Activity competition, no need. Completion, no need. Tag, no need. Competencies, no need. Nothing you need, just you have to set this much and say save and display. Okay, now you can see you have already told 3 hours, and when it is 3 o'clock. So everything is prepared. And let me go back now, general. Okay, so let me turn up. See, I supposed to keep here, but mistakenly I did here, so it came here. Okay, so same thing will apply to here also, you don't have to worry about that. And then say turn editing up. Okay, now you can see first Zoom class. this meeting begins at 3 p.m. Please log into Zoom before 2:55 p.m. So this was my description. So when a student or anyone clicks here, then here it will say the time when it will be 3 o'clock, then automatically it will say join. Okay, so they can just click join. Okay, so here I think I have to edit something, because if I make here the time, okay, edit setting, come down, if I say requiring, let me see what will happen. I am not sure of that. So okay, so see, I guess recurring will be best for us to do as soon as the student comes, or whenever I want, I can just start. Okay, no time bound for me, but time will be at 3 o'clock. Especially, I have to start. Okay, meeting with no end date or time. So again, this will make like it is nothing. There is no time, no limit, no times, nothing. So this will be as is it is. You don't have to do anything. It is all right, because in the description we will have given this detail, like meeting begins at 3 p.m. so they have to come to 5:05. So this is how you can say it. And once the time comes like 3 o'clock or earlier than that, the teacher can start and the student can join. Okay, so or again we can send this link to student, but it is I prefer like we don't send them this one, because they have to come to Moodle and work on that. Otherwise, they will be dependent on the link. They won't come to Moodle, so they have to come here and join the meeting. Okay. So again, we can set the password also for this meeting. Okay. If I just go and edit here, I can. Where is that? Enable join before restrict access. Okay. Here, add restriction in the restriction axis. Okay, where's the rest? Add a set of nest restriction. Okay, not this one. It's supposed to be common Moodle setting. I'm not able to find that one, but it's supposed to be somewhere here. Where is that? Oh, okay, here you can see here password. I was not able to see. So password is here. Just click here, then you can create the password like AIT 2020. Just you click here. Okay, this will be the password to join for them. So this is how you can set the password and say save and display. Now when a student comes to this page, especially for this Zoom meeting, okay, then they will see password. So this password they have to add. Once they click here join meeting, then they have to put this password. So this is how you set the password also. It's not that hard, it is easy. So I guess you have understood. Thank you very much for watching.